Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi everyone, welcome to Test Prep Training. In this video you will learn about some commonly asked questions in Salesforce Certified Community Cloud Consultant. So let's get started. Question number 1. Universal Containers needs to create a community that meets the following requirements. 1. Self-service support community, in which customer and partner users are community members. 2. Partner users help Universal Containers by adding or resolving cases for their customers within the community. 3. Partner users need access to some standard objects except leads, campaigns, and opportunity objects. 4. Partners use Chatter in the case feed to communicate with the Universal Containers team and customers. Which license type should a Salesforce administrator use for these partner users? Your options are: A. Employee Community License, B. Customer Community Plus License, C. Customer Community License, D. Partner Community License. The correct answer is option D. Question number 2. A healthcare company wants to create a community for its patients and providers. The community needs to be optimized for healthcare use cases and follow industry best practices. What should the Community Cloud Consultant consider first to meet the requirements? Your options are: A. Lightning Community Templates, B. Custom Solutions, C. Business Value Map and ROI, D. Lightning Bolt Solutions. The correct answer is option A. Question number 3. Universal Containers wants its community users to have the ability to log in using Facebook and Google. Which set of features should the administrator use to achieve this goal? Your options are: A. Custom Lightning Component and Apex Class, B. Single Sign-On and App Exchange, C. Auth Provider and Flow, D. Auth Provider and Registration Handler. The correct answer is option D. Question number 4. A company uses content management system to store and manage public content. The VP of Advertising wants to run marketing and advertising campaigns in the community using that content. How should the administrator render advertising content in the community? Your options are: A. Download and install the community content package from the App Exchange, B. Use Process Builder to import content from the CMS on a periodic basis, C. Configure CMS Connect to pull content from the CMS, D. Build a custom integration point between the CMS and the community. The correct answer is option C. Question number 5. Universal Containers is building a customer community. What can the administrator add to the navigation menu? Your options are: A. Salesforce Objects, Topics, Community Pages, External URL, Forecast, B. Salesforce Objects, Community Pages, App Launcher, External URL, C. Salesforce Objects, Topics, External URL, Lightning Component, Community Pages, D. Salesforce Objects, Global Actions Community Pages, External URL. The correct answer is option C. Question number 6. Universal Containers is implementing a self-service community. UC has a high volume of customers with complex hierarchies. The majority of UC customers have multiple accounts and frequently add new accounts. Universal Containers wants customers to be able to create new accounts and contacts on their own. Which two license types should UC's Salesforce administrator recommend? Choose 2. Your options are: A. Customer Community Login, B. Customer Community, C. Customer Community Plus Login, D. Customer Community Plus. The correct answers are option C and D. Question number 7. A coffee company sells products for coffee shops and consumers. The company is planning to launch a community and has the following goals. 1. Go to market quickly. 2. Generate online revenue rapidly. Work with a mobile-ready storefront. How should the Community Cloud Consultant meet these goals? Your options are: A. Use Build Your Own Lightning Template, B. Use B2B Commerce for Community Cloud, C. Use a Visualforce Page Lightning Component, D. Use custom Lightning components. The correct answer is option B. Question number 8. Universal Containers has built a partner community for its users. Users must accept an agreement when logging into the community for the first time. What are 3 ways for a Salesforce administrator to meet this requirement? Your options are: A. Leverage audiences and page variations to hide content in the community until the user agreement has been accepted. B. Use login flows to show the user agreement when community users log in for the first time. C. Build a site.com page with a user agreement and replace the login page with complete registration on acknowledgement. D. Customize the user registration page to include the user agreement and complete registration on acknowledgement. The correct answers are option A and D. Question number 9. A coffee company is launching a public brand worldwide. Consumers need to see all relevant information about the brand in one place. Brand advisors can also submit applications to become partners. How should the coffee company's administrator meet these requirements? Your options are: A. Create a private community and let brand advisors and consumers register themselves. B. Create a public community for consumers and brand advisors. C. Create a public community for consumers and a separate private community for brand advisors. D. Create a public community and let brand advisors and consumers register themselves. The correct answer is option D. Question number 10. Universal Containers is implementing a customer community, which will have thousands of accounts with tens of thousands of community users, contacts. UC wants to ensure that all customer community licensed users are able to access the assets tied to their accounts. Which action should the Salesforce administrator take when setting up asset sharing, to ensure that community users can see their account's assets? Your options are: A. Set up a sharing set that references the account ID on the asset. B. Implement the role hierarchy on the customer community. C. Use Apex Managed Sharing to grant access to the community users. D. Create a sharing rule for each account. The correct answer is option A. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.